Large, luxurious, finely detailed, exquisite. These are the qualities that describe this very special 6-room former industrial loft at the Dillon, right in the heart of Manhattan's Midtown West. Recently renovated from top to bottom, this is a huge space, almost 1,600 square feet. The ceilings are 11 feet high. The 9-foot windows, there are a dozen of them, are double thermopaned. Southern exposure bathes this property in lots of light during the day, and the windows are appointed with art gallery shades, enabling people inside this home to see outside the building even when the shades are drawn, while keeping the outside world from seeing inside. One of my favorite parts of this home is the gourmet chef's kitchen. Here you will find top-of-the-line appliances. There's even a separate freezer. Have a look at these custom cherry wood cabinets with interior lighting, and the lower cabinets have under-the-cabinet lighting. There are not one, but 2 pantries. This kitchen is a chef's delight. This property has 2 large bedrooms, and they are on opposite sides of the apartment. One is presently being used as a home office and guest room. There's a formal dining room, large enough to comfortably seat 10 people. The 6th room is presently configured as a media room and can be used as a small den or home office. Both bathrooms are marble, and one contains custom tile work. Would you look at that? Talk about having a luxurious feeling in the shower. This property has all new electric and plumbing, central air conditioning, a washer and dryer, and ceiling fans in most of the rooms. There's tons of storage space, closet after closet in fact. And if that's not enough, not only does this property come with its own storage room, but it's right down the hallway on the same floor. The building has no flip tax, pets are welcome, co-purchasing is allowed, as are Pied-à-terre. The Dillon is as centrally located as city living can be. Blocks from major department stores, the theater district, the great restaurants and nightlife of Hell's Kitchen, down the block from Hudson Yards, blocks away from Bryant Park, and close to so much public transportation. Thanks for joining me today on our video tour of this exquisite loft. I'm Jeff Goodman from Brown Harris Stevens, and I hope to see you at this extraordinary loft right in the heart of Manhattan's Midtown West.